Right, so we are now going to install these framings at the side of our plaster, ready for the plaster to go on. Apologies about the place being a bit of a tip at the minute, but just trying to get things reordered. So we've got two to go on, one here and one here. This one I've had to cut down, and in order to cut it down I've just used a normal pair of garden shears, which tend to do the job pretty well. You might actually get away with some really sharp household scissors, but you might damage them, so try giving just some garden shears a go, and I reckon that will do the job for you just nicely. Using these fixings, so these are fixing and tab screws. They're about 25 mil long, quite small, and they'll just go straight through the holes at the side, so we'll get these fixed in nicely. And then this just allows you to get a nice sharp corner finishing. Obviously you get a lot of impact on corners, so you don't want it to start breaking away, and this prevents that from happening. So very important that you do use these, and you can get these from your local DIY store. I think these are ones from B&Q or Wickes, or one of those based in the UK. So yeah, let's get these fixed in place. We're going to use our drill and get them drilled in at all points, top, bottom, on both corners as well, to make that in place nice and sturdy.
I'm currently on a mission to get to 1,000 subscribers, and with your help that could be made possible. So please consider hitting that subscribe button, dropping me a comment and a like. Thank you.
Right, so as you can see, that is now installed all the way down, from ceiling all the way to floor. Not every hole is filled, but pretty much every 20 centimeters or so we've screwed both sides, and I'm happy with that now. So that's nice and compressed flat, shouldn't get much movement from that. And then we can now look at getting our plaster complete. We've obviously got a door frame to go in here, which is actually there. Right, so with this one, it's not quite as straightforward, and the reason being is we've got this slight notch, which is our banister post, which is slightly in the way. So it's about a centimetre over. So what we need to do is take a notch out of that top bit to work around it, which is the second hole down. So we'll just take a slight notch out of that in the same manner using our cutters, and then that should slot nicely into place. And then we can get this one tapped in as well. So I'll just, as you can see, I've literally just snipped this down, right down to the corner that we need. Perfect. So we've got a nice tight joint all the way up, and then it just works around where that notch is required.